Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play EFootball by keyboard. First, let's get familiar with the fundamental controls. Your primary movement will be handled by the arrow keys or the WASD setup. Practice moving your players around the pitch to get a feel for their responsiveness. Also, learn to switch between players quickly, especially when defending, to maintain good team shape and cover. This foundational understanding is crucial for all subsequent actions. Now, let's move to offense. Passing is key. Use your pass button for accurate short and long passes. For shooting, hold down the shoot button to power up your shot, aiming for the corners of the goal. Don't forget through balls, which are excellent for sending your attackers into space behind the defense. Mastering these offensive actions will allow you to build up play and create numerous scoring chances against your opponents. Defense is just as vital as offense. When the opponent has the ball, use the press button to apply pressure and try to win it back. If you need to make a direct challenge, the tackle key is your friend, but use it wisely to avoid fouls. Continuously practice player switching to always control the defender closest to the ball, ensuring you can react quickly to opponent movements and block passing lanes effectively. Finally, let's explore some advanced tactics. Experiment with special dribbling moves to beat defenders and create space for shots or passes. The 1-2 pass, a quick give and go, is incredibly effective for penetrating tight defenses. Also, dedicate time to practicing set pieces, such as free kicks and corners. Knowing how to deliver a perfect cross or curl a shot into the top corner can turn the tide of any match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.